What does infrastructure mean in the BI? This might be a question that's been buzzing in your mind for a while. Well, today is the day you get your answer. Imagine you're on a road trip. Your car, the roads, the gas stations, and the GPS all together form the infrastructure that ensures a smooth journey. Now, apply this analogy to the world of business intelligence. Here, the infrastructure is the backbone that supports your data journey from collection to interpretation. Business intelligence, or BI as we like to call it, is essentially about making sense of data to aid business decisions. It's like a detective solving a case, but instead of clues, we're working with data. So, where does infrastructure fit into all this? Well, in BI, infrastructure refers to the underlying systems, software, and services that collect, store, manage, and analyze this data. It's the car, the roads, the gas stations, and the GPS in your data road trip. One of the main components of BI infrastructure is the data warehouse, a large storage system where all your data is kept. Think of it as a giant filing cabinet, but instead of paper files, you're storing binary digits. Then we have data integration tools, the unsung heroes of BI infrastructure. These tools are like the roads in our road trip analogy. They connect different data sources, ensuring a smooth flow of data into your data warehouse. Next up, we have data management software. These are your gas stations, providing the necessary fuel for your data journey. They ensure the data is clean, reliable, and ready for analysis. Last but not least, we have data analytics tools. This is your GPS, guiding you towards your destination. These tools help you make sense of the data, providing insights that can guide business decisions. But what makes a good BI infrastructure? Well, it should be reliable, scalable, and secure. It should provide a seamless flow of data with minimal downtime. It should be flexible enough to grow with your business needs, and it should protect your data like a vault. In summary, in the world of business intelligence, infrastructure is the framework that supports your data journey. It includes the data warehouse, where all your data is stored, data integration tools, which connect different data sources, data management software, which ensures the data is clean and reliable, and data analytics tools, which help you interpret the data. So the next time someone asks you, what does infrastructure mean in the BI? You'll be able to answer with confidence. You'll know that it's the backbone that supports the data journey, from collection to interpretation. It's the car, the roads, the gas stations, and the GPS in your data road trip. And that, my friends, is the power of knowledge.